Hey there, creators. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of YouTube's most popular animated storytelling channels, Khatta Nimbu Animated Stories. With just 178 videos, this channel has racked up over 1 million subscribers. What's even more impressive, out of these videos, only 3 are long form, while the rest are YouTube shorts, each pulling in thousands to millions of views. This success proves how much people love animated stories, and it highlights the power of engaging, bite-sized content. Now, you might be wondering, how can I create my own animated stories like Khatta Nimbu? The good news is, it's easier than you think. You don't need expensive software. Instead, you can use AI tools to generate images, ChatGPT for writing and voiceovers, and you're good to go. The real challenge is ensuring consistent characters throughout your story, as AI-generated images can vary. Here's the plan. I'll show you how to create animated stories with consistent characters without needing fancy prompts. Ready-made prompts will be available in the description for you to modify. Watch the entire tutorial for detailed steps. First up, let's talk about your story. You need a compelling story to animate. Whether it's a kid's adventure, a jungle tale, or an animal story, ChatGPT can generate one for you. For a story similar to Khatta Nimbu, use the specific prompts from the description. These prompts provide all the details about your main character. For instance, if your main character is a lion, include specifics about its clothes, hairstyle, and accessories. This detailed approach ensures that the AI maintains character consistency across scenes. Once you have your story, input the prompts into ChatGPT. It will generate a story and detailed image prompts. Each prompt will include consistent details about the lion, making image creation straightforward. Next, let's create images using Leonardo AI. Paste the image prompt from ChatGPT into Leonardo's prompt box. Remove any image size instructions and add 3D Pixar style to each prompt manually. In Leonardo, select the Leonardo Phoenix model under Presets and the dynamic option for preset style. Set image dimensions to 16:9 for long-form videos or other ratios for shorts. Click Generate, and within seconds, your images will be ready. Before moving to the next scene, make sure to copy the seed number by clicking the 3 dots above the images. Go to Advanced Settings and turn on Use Fixed Seed, then paste the seed number. This step is crucial for keeping your characters consistent. Repeat the process for each scene, updating the prompts and using the seed trick for consistency. You'll get consistent characters in various backgrounds and scenarios. If you're creating a human character, you can use the same method. I modified a prompt for a 12-year-old girl. The process remains the same. Generate the story with detailed prompts and use Leonardo AI to create consistent images. Just remember to use the seed trick for each scene. With your images ready, move on to step 3, voiceover. You can use your own voice or AI voices like 11 Labs. For storytelling, Gigi or Ivy voices work great. Record your voiceover and download it. Now let's convert images into video. Use Pixar-style AI or similar tools. Select the image to video option, upload your image, and add a prompt if needed. Set the duration 5 seconds is ideal and choose zoom in for camera settings. Generate the video and repeat for all your images. Finally, let's edit using CapCut. Import all your videos and the voiceover. Place the voiceover on the timeline. Adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 for long-form videos, and sync the videos with the voiceover. Crop out any watermarks and adjust clip speeds if needed. Add transitions if desired, and your video is ready. And that's it. You now have a complete guide to creating engaging animated stories with consistent characters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.